Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got another power strip. This is just going to be, obviously an unboxing and just to, show you the size and what you can expect it to look like or whatever. I got another one we're going to compare it to over here, but I mean, what else do you want from it? The only way to really test this is to, go and burn it out or something and put 20 amps through it. But I'm, if you see my channel, I'm very much about value in the channel, and that's not a value thing for me. So much. I like to test stuff, but that just seems like a waste. But this is pretty much the one that I did get. This is the 2.5 foot cord is what they say, but here you guys can see exactly how long that cord is pretty much. This to me, this is like what, 26 inches, I guess, is what it looks like, the cord. This is called the green one, GoGreen. Have no idea. I'm not sure if that means anything, if this like goes towards surge protector, GoGreen. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's anything to do with the environment or they donate money or something like that. But anyway, this is, it's called the GoGreen. It has a green thing right here and a green label right here. Let's see what it lights up as, but that's the length of it. So you guys can see that right there, all right? And that's the width of it, okay? This is the other cord that I did get. This is the, I think this is GE, I think it was. This was a brand that a big company, a well-known company that, is a multinational billion-dollar company, was the brand that this one was. I did the review on this, I think, last year when I got it. We got it, with a color, and I think I got other colors as well. But that's what this one looks like. It doesn't light up. You're paying, these ones are a little expensive, guys, but, that's how it is. They know you're going to need this for a specific purpose, so they're going to make this 3-4 times more than just getting a white one. It's just the way it is in business. But yeah, that's what that one looks like. Let's plug this one in and just see what it's going to look like. But here's what they are side by side. All right, this one, see, is more oval. This one has more of the squarer look to it, as you guys can see. This one has the green like that. And I mean, they're pretty much the same size. See the outlet spacing? The outlet spacing is, going to be a big deal if you're going to be plugging in a lot of things that have big transformers and stuff like that are going to take up space. But these two, and they probably all make them like a generic spacing on here. You probably can, you won't only get ones that are different spacing if you get, like a premium one that's specifically made for some kind of electronics. Then you're going to get that like that. But, this at $5 to $10. This at $5 to $10 compared to that at, $15 to $30. You know what I mean? I don't know really what you want to do. I don't know what your plan is. It's a very dim lit green. All right, I guess, what do you want for the price? You know what I mean? Like I said, this was way more on the budget friendlier side than the other ones. And I didn't need anything crazy. This is for the network upstairs. If you saw my videos, I'm doing an installation video on a media center, and I got a bunch of new stuff. When I get new stuff, I like to do reviews for everybody so you can see, what I'm using, why I'm using it, the reason, because you always want to wonder why you're doing it, not just do it and waste stuff all the time. I'm just not a big fan of that. But that's what it looks like. This is what the back looks like, the mounting. It has 4 on there. You're just going to mark that out, put the screw in, and then slide it. It didn't come with any screws. None of these ever come with mounting screws or anything like that. You know what I mean? They just don't. That's the back of it. If you guys want to pause and read that, just to make sure that everything's in the video. Well, I guess that's it, for the unboxing review of it, so you guys can kind of see it and just a little test of the light and stuff like that. But if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on the affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals up into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you check back to the channel, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the stuff as they break so we know we're getting a good value. And also helping out my subscribers with any questions they have on the products that I already reviewed. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. Bye, everybody.